I'm looking for some whoosh, kind of rumbly whoosh sound effects. So watch me as I go through that process of selecting some sounds for a very, very small section of the wedding film because I'm a perfectionist. Let's go. So today I'm using Envato Elements to look for some sound effects for this particular point in the film. I am not sponsored in any way, I just have used them for a long time. And so we're looking for rumbling whoosh. So I'd search rumble whoosh and we'll see what we can find here. Kind of want to transition from this really somber effect and I'm kind of, or somber moment of transitioning into the like hardcore dancing section, but I'm still keeping it a little bit dramatic for a moment. So that's kind of cool. I'm going to download that, put it into my sound effects project. Stormy whoosh, no, that's no good. That's terrifying. No. I think that first one might be, or the one I downloaded might be the best one. I'm just gonna try one of those in there. So I'm gonna pull this download, the low whoosh, and I'm gonna put it into there. It's kind of nice. I might add some type of hit to it just because I want this particular moment though, I guess. Let's see. Let me just see how this sounds. I like the low, but I want a hit. And honestly, this one's really nice and quick. So I feel like if I add that as well, then we can go into here. It's a little slow. Let me bring that volume down just a tad. So if we add some, go to spaces, add some cathedral. I love me some cathedral. And if we go to the end and we add a hold to let that echo kind of last. I still might need a little more of a hit. I like that though, it sounds really nice. I realize that you cannot hear the things that are happening on my computer, just because of the way the screen recording is working for this video. I'm going to work on that one. But I will play just the short little segment that I'm editing at the end, so you can just kind of hear the befores and the afters of what I put in. So I ended up just going with that first one. So I'm going to play for you. I'm going to export this little section. And yes, a good majority of it is not color corrected, so keep that in mind. But yeah.
All the days of my life. Amen. All the days of my life. Amen.
So this has been me trying to give you some insight into just what all goes into the editing of a wedding film. There's a lot that I think most people don't really realize. So just been trying to get some more, starting to cultivate some more behind the scenes content. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next one.